and welcome back to another video. So the style that we're doing on Kennedi's hair today is a fluffy 3-strand twist out. And Kennedi's hair has already been washed and conditioned. We used our black soap cleanser and our Nourishment Conditioner. So we wanted to provide her hair with a ton of moisture because I wanted this style to last for a couple of days. So I used our black soap cleanser, which is a nice mild cleanser, and our Nourishment Conditioner, which is a nice light detangling conditioner. We're also using our extra moisture hair milk as a moisturizer as well as a leave-in. I love our extra moisture hair milk. It has our aloe vera. We put aloe vera juice in there just to give your hair that moisture that it needs, as well as shea butter and avocado oil, which definitely is amazing on your strands. And it's so easy to detangle. I used a Denman brush to detangle Kennedi's hair. And I'm also using our all-over butter just to seal in all of that moisture and just to make her hair look shiny and just look beautiful. The last thing we're going to use is by Melanin Haircare. It is their Twist-Elongating Style Cream. And I'm sure you guys have seen this video so many times on YouTube. And this is by Natural85. That's her YouTube name, but her name is Whitney, her real name. And I was so excited when she came out with this product. I had to buy it. So I only bought this. I didn't buy the oil. And the price, in my opinion, is very, very good. So I'm just doing a 3-strand twist out. So I'm parting her hair in 3 small sections, and I'm going to do the 3-strand twists. And if you don't know how to do a 3-strand twist, I will list in the iCards above or in the description box below our video where I can show you how I do a 3-strand twist on Kennedi's hair. I love 3-strand twists because I feel like it can give me the same look as a regular twist out, but I can take bigger sections and it just look just as nice. Anyway, getting back to the Melanin Twist-Elongating Style Cream, the price of this is amazing, 16 ounces and it's $16.99. I think this is really good. I used some of it. I gave some away and I used some on Kennedi's hair. This is so good. It smells like cocoa butter. The style, the packaging, the colors, this is so nice. Whitney did her thing on this. It's not too light, it's not too thick, it's such a nice creamy consistency. The smell is just nice and natural. I love it. So this is the next day and Kennedi's hair is fully dry. It did not take a long time for her hair to dry at all, which I loved. So I'm just gonna close up. I'm just going to do a close-up of Kennedi's hair, and I love it. It just came out really good. It wasn't greasy, it wasn't heavy. Our all-over butter is not greasy or heavy. Neither is our extra moisture hair milk. On top with the Twist-Elongating Style Cream, it gave Kennedi's hair the texture and the fluffiness I was looking for. So as a tip, when you separate your hair, if you want that fullness, just use a pick and just pick out those small sections. And then once you've done the small sections, you could do it overall in the larger sections. What I loved about this styling cream, it gave Kennedi's hair that fullness and the texture and the fluffiness I was looking for, because I typically don't put her hair in styles where it's out like in a twist out or braid out. I usually put it in 2 ponytails, because I feel like it doesn't look as fluffy. But with the Twist-Elongating Style Cream, it definitely gave it the elongation and allowed her hair to look so nice and fluffy. So off camera, I sprayed the front of her hair with a little bit of water, and then I used some more of our all-over butter because we are using, for her edges today, I'd used the Ecostyle Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. This is the first time I used this, well, not the first time. I was using it for a month, this gel, and I noticed that Kennedi's edges got really dry, so I had to make sure I used some of our hair milk or the butter on top of it, just so it doesn't dry out the front of her hair, because we ran out of our favorite edge control by Camille Rose. So I had to use this until my edge control came in the mail, because she had an amazing sale, which was so great. But this is definitely a close second. I really like the black castor seed and flaxseed oil gel, which is really good. It doesn't have a hard crunch or anything to it, but it's good. As you can see, Kennedi's hair looks amazing. I love it. And again, I never do her hair in this style. This is like the first time I did her hair in this style, and it just looks so good and fluffy. It was it's a tad bit frizzy, but it looked so good. I love it. So if you want some hold, this product is definitely not for you, but if you want that texture and the fluffiness, this is for you. So that was the first style that I did. I just left the front out, but this second style, I'm just putting it into a little bit of a bun. I don't really know how to describe what I did. I just kind of just wrapped it around, and I used some bobby pins to keep everything in place. Kennedy's hair looks so good and moisturized. Look at those waves. Goodness gracious. These product combos is bomb. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. It looks so good. I just love it. It's just giving her the fluffiness and the texture that I was definitely looking for. So if you have fine, medium strands of hair and you need that fluffiness and that texture, I would definitely suggest you buy this. If you want some hold, it definitely is not going to give you that, but it definitely will elongate your hair and give you the fluffiness that you're looking for. So I'm just picking it out just a little bit more, and I'm just going to add a headband on her hair, and we have set the style. So we love these products. Natural 85, you did an amazing job on this, and I can't wait to see all the other things that you're gonna add to this line. So we hope you guys enjoyed our video. We really enjoyed doing it, and just go out and buy Kennedy's Essentials, and not only that, go out and buy the Melanin Hair Care. Amazing, amazing product. Enjoy, guys. Bye.